If I want to enter a number in Excel in scientific notation, how do I do it? Here's the best way to do it. Here's my number. This should be, if you think about it for a minute, 6.02 times 10 to the 6th. I type in 6.02 times 10 to the 6th. Notice I typed in an E for times 10 to the. And both of these are the same number. Now when I hit return on that, Excel reformatted it a little bit, but it recognizes that number as scientific notation. 6.02 times 10 to the 6th. So there's basically the number part separated from the exponent by an E. I can see that those are both the same number, like this. Try to subtract them. One subtracted from the other should be 0 if they're both equal. So in Excel, I say equals for a calculation, and I'm going to say subtract. Take that and subtract that from it. And it gives me 0 in scientific notation. It figures because I put one of the numbers in scientific notation, maybe I want to keep working in that. But I got a 0 just like I expected because this and this are exactly the same. Now, I often see students try to do what I'm about to do, and this is the wrong way to do it. If I want to type in 6.02 times sign in Excel is an asterisk. 10 E6. That's not going to give me the right answer. And that's because the E means times 10 to the, so I'm putting the 10 in there twice when I do this kind of thing. Notice when I hit return, I get a number that looks like 5 zeros on the end instead of 4. So this is wrong. This is wrong here. If I wanted to do it the hard way, like I just tried to, I could do it like this. 6.02 times 10 to the, now this is the exponentiation key. This is raise up the next thing that I type in as a power. That should be the same. That should be right. It's a little bit longer to type in than the E notation, but that will work. And if you look at it, you can see that this last number and this number are the same.